Maintenance and repair has always been complicated when it comes to data center. With Power Fusion, the nightmare is over. Let's see how it works with our North America VP Sales and Business Development.
In any data center, gensets and batteries are critical assets and need to be tested regularly. You have to make sure that the day you need it, that will be there. During the maintenance window, you have to take quite a few precautions. You have to engage switches, you have to check several parameters, and possibly you have to isolate your critical assets and use dummy load. With Power Fusion, it is as simple as this. I start the generator, and the energy is used by the data center to supply the servers. The same way we can test the battery. We can force each satellite individually to deplete the battery through the servers connected directly to the satellite or through the DC bus. Constant discharge and monitoring by the equipment of the satellite. After some minutes, you know the real status of the battery. Do you know how many different gears, how many vendors, training sessions, how many maintenance contracts, how many call centers you have to run your data center? With Power Fusion, everything is based upon a single module. One module to build the whole data center. And the module is hot swappable. Do you think Power Fusion is a game changer? Certainly. You test your critical assets without interruption. You have one module to build the whole data center, and the hot swappability gives you the extreme security to replace a faulty module in just like that. MTTR, just a couple of minutes.